we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that